Hello, today we'll be solving question number 17. In question number 17, it has been said that suppose the altitudes of a triangle are 10, 12 and 15. So what is its semi-perimeter? So let us take the altitudes be as HA, then we have HB and then we have HC. So these be the altitudes. So if these are altitudes, we have been given that HA is equal to 10, HB is equal to 12 and HC is equal to 15. So therefore we can write that HA is to HB is to HC is equal to 10 is to 12 is to 15. Okay, so this is what we have got. So now this will imply us that A is to B is to C. We can write it down as 1 by 10 is to 1 by 12 is to 1 by 15. Okay, so this is how we got it. Now this entire thing can be written as A by 1 by 10 is equal to B by 1 by 12 is equal to C by 1 by 15. So this can be written as 10A is equal to 12B is equal to 15C. Okay. Here's a 15C. Now if we divide all of these terms by the LCM of 10, 12 and 15. Now the LCM of 10, 12 and 15 is basically 60. So we have 10A by 60 is equal to 12B by 60 and then we have 15C by 60. So this will give us A by 6 is equal to B by 5 and this will be equal to C by 4. So ultimately we'll get that A is to B is to C will be equal to 6 is to 5 is to 4. Okay, and we can definitely therefore write that let A be 6K, B be 5K and we can write that C is equal to 4K. So this is how we can write. So therefore let the perimeter be let the perimeter be twice S. Now we know that S is basically given by A plus B plus C by 2. So therefore our twice S will be equal to A plus B plus C, which will be equal to 15K. Twice S will be equal to 15K. Now we know that area of a triangle is given by root over S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C, as like the example where we have S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So that implies that S is equal to 15K by 2, 15K by 2, then S minus A will be basically equal to S minus A will be 15K minus 15K by 2 minus 3K, or rather 6K, not 6K. Then we have 15K by 2 minus 5K, and finally we have 15K by 2 minus 4K. So this entire structure is finally we can break it down into root over 15K by 2 into 3K by 2 into 5K by 2 into 7K by 2, and this will be equal to 1 by 4 into 15 into root 7 and then K square. So this is what we've got. And also we can write that area of the triangle will be basically half into HA into A. So this way HA we know that this is equal to 10 by 2 and A we know that A is equal to basically 6K. So this will be basically 30K. So now this area and this area are equal, so we can definitely therefore write that 15 into root 7 by 4 into K square is equal to 30K. the k cancels out, and then 15 and 30 we have got 2, and then we have got that k will be equal to 8 by root 7. K is equal to 8 by root 7. So if k is equal to 8 by root 7, then the perimeter that we have got as twice as the semi-perimeter, which will be equal to S, is given by 15k by 2, which is nothing but equal to 60 by root 7. So 60 by root 7 is the answer that we are looking for. So this is how you solve question number 17. We'll be solving the next questions in subsequent videos. Thank you very much.